Imagine this. You logged into your Gmail at a library 3 years ago and forgot to log out. Or maybe an old iPad you sold is still syncing your photos. Right now, there could be devices accessing your Google account that you don't even know about. If you have an iPhone or an iPad, you hold the keys to finding out exactly who and what is connected to your digital life. I'm Anna. Welcome to For Real. Today, we aren't just looking at settings. We are going to perform a full security audit on your Google account directly from iOS. I'll show you how to find the list, how to interpret the confusing data, and how to kick off intruders in seconds. Let's secure your account. A lot of tutorials will tell you that you need to go to the App Store and download the specific Google search app to do this. But here at For Real, we like to save you time. You don't need to download anything new. If you use Gmail, YouTube, or Google Photos, you already have the tool you need. The interface is actually universal across all Google apps on iPhone. Grab your iPhone or iPad. I'm going to use the Gmail app for this demonstration, but follow along in YouTube or Maps if that's what you have. Open the app. Look at the top right corner. See that profile picture? That is your command center. Tap it. You'll see a menu pop up. You're looking for a button that says Manage Your Google Account. It might be in a slightly different spot depending on the app, but it's always there right under your email address. Now pause for a second. If you're sitting there thinking, Anna, I don't use Google Apps, I just use Safari for my email, don't worry, I've got you covered. Open Safari or Chrome on your iPhone. In the address bar, type in myaccount.google.com. I'll put that link in the description below so you can copy-paste it. Once you sign in there, the interface is exactly the same as the app version we just looked at. So from this point forward, the steps are identical whether you are in an app or on a browser. Okay, you're in the dashboard. This can look overwhelming, but we are looking for one specific tab. At the top of the screen, you'll see a menu bar that slides left and right. Swipe that bar until you see Security. Tap on that. Now, scroll down. You're going to pass Recent Security Activity and Two-Step Verification. Keep going until you see a box titled Your Devices. This is a summary, but we want the full report. Tap the blue link at the bottom of that box that says Manage All Devices. Welcome to the list. This screen shows every device that has been active on your account in the last 28 days. But here is where people get confused. Let's decode what you're seeing. You might see the same phone listed 3 times. Why? Because Google counts sessions. If you logged in on Chrome, that's a session. If you logged in on the Gmail app, that's another session. Don't panic if you see duplicates of your own phone. However, look at the location and the time. If you live in New York, but you see a Windows PC logged in from London 5 minutes ago, we have a problem. Here's how to fix it immediately. Tap on the device that looks suspicious. You have 2 main options here. If it's an old device you just don't use anymore, simply tap Sign Out. A confirmation will pop up, tap Sign Out again, and boom, access revoked. They are kicked off immediately. But if you truly do not recognize the device, like a random Android phone when you only own Apples, do not just sign out. Tap the button that says Don't recognize something? This will guide you to change your password instantly, because signing them out won't stop them from logging back in if they have your password. So there you have it. You've just performed a security audit on your Google account right from your iPhone. If this video helped you kick out an unwanted guest or just clean up your digital clutter, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And make sure to subscribe to For Real for more tech tips that cut through the noise. Stay secure, and I'll see you in the next one.